Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this very easy rectangle shawl. And you can add fringe, that's optional. You can either wear the fringe along the bottom or at the top. So let's get started. I'm working with worsted weight yarn and a 6mm crochet hook. Start with a slip knot and you work a foundation chain in any length . When you have your foundation chain the correct length, and for a shawl it should measure anywhere from 60 to 72 inches. Then you're going to work into the 5th stitch from the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Work 2 double crochet. 1, 2, chain 1, and 2 double crochet. Like that. So that's all in the same stitch. 2 double crochet, chain 1, and 2 more double crochet. Skip the next 2 stitches, double crochet in the next. And you're going to repeat that across the row. Skip 2 stitches, work a shell in the next stitch, 2 double crochet, chain 1, 2 double crochet. Skip the next 2 stitches, work 1 double crochet in the next. Like that. So you're going to repeat that all the way across the row. Skip 2, work a shell, skip 2, double crochet. Okay, I worked all the way across the row. And if you counted wrong and you have extra stitches, you can just pull those out. Like that. And now the next row will just be a repeat row. Chain 2 and turn. Find that chain 1 space in the next shell and work a shell. 2 double crochet, chain 1, and 2 double crochet. Double crochet in the next double crochet. Go to the next chain 1 space, 2 double crochet, chain 1, and 2 double crochet. And double crochet in the next double crochet. So you're just going to keep repeating that row over and over. At the end of the row, You'll work 1 double crochet in that last stitch and just keep repeating that row over and over until the shawl is as long as you would like it to be. Okay, I've reached the end of that row, so I'm going to make my last double crochet right there in that turning chain. And here's how that stitch will look. You just keep repeating that same row over and over until your shawl is the length that you would like it to be. Now the fringe is optional, and if you do decide you want to add fringe, I cut 3 lengths for each fringe, approximately 11 inches long. So you'll take your fringe and you'll fold it in half. And there's the fold. Insert your hook into the edge of the shawl, pull that folded end through, and then open that up and pull the ends through like that. And that is called a lark's head knot. And you can spread your fringe in every one of the shells or in every one of the openings. It all depends on how thick you want your fringe to be. For all these shawls and more, click on the link in the first comment below.